First of all, choose your photo from gallery. Then add to Lightroom app. Then open Lightroom app and select your photo. Now, click light option and follow step by step. If any query or problems, please contact in my email address. Now choose color option and follow step by step. Then click mix option and follow my instruction. This is the main part of this editing, so look carefully and do like me. Last two color option don't need to change, so jump to the next step. Now choose effect option and follow step by step. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Then choose detail option and follow step by step. That's it, complete your editing. Now you can see the difference before or after. Click share option and save your fantastic photo. And share this photo in your social media account.